Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. If you're looking to apply to KNUST and you want to know how to purchase admission forms, you're at the right place. I'll guide you step by step through buying forms on your phone. Let's jump right in. Step 1. To purchase KNUST admission forms, dial *885# in any network. This is the code you'll need to access and purchase your e-voucher. Step 2. Once you see options, select option 2 for forms and e-vouchers. This will take you to the available forms for institutions across Ghana. Step 3. Next, select option 2 for KNUST to purchase the admission forms. Step 4. Choose your program category. There are several options here, including Undergraduate Top-Up IDL, IDL Diploma, Undergraduate Regular, and Postgraduate. Here's a quick breakdown. Undergraduate Top-Up IDL is for students looking to top up with an undergraduate degree through distance learning. IDL Diploma is for those interested in pursuing a diploma via distance learning. Undergraduate Regular is for students applying for full-time, on-campus studies. Postgraduate is for applicants seeking graduate studies in various fields. Step 5. Once you've selected your category, the cost of the form will appear on the screen. If everything looks good, select option 1. Step 6. You'll be prompted to enter your first name and last name. Make sure you enter it as it appears on your ID. Step 7. Review the transaction details carefully. If all the information is correct, select option 1 to confirm payment. Now, here is an important point. You'll receive a mobile money payment prompt. Make sure your SIM card is mobile money registered and has enough funds for the payment. After successfully completing the payment, you'll receive your e-voucher within minutes. This voucher contains all the necessary details for KNUST application. And that's it. You now have your e-voucher and you can head to the KNUST admission portal to start your application. I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you found it useful, please give the video a thumbs up.